Oh no! Too much screen time, Spell!
Cheeku, I forgot how to blink.
My eyes are square now.
Hi, little friends. Screens are fun. But smart kids use screens wisely.
Screen time is fun, but understand how to use them right.
Let's learn do's and don'ts of screen time today with Cheeku and Peeku.
No screen in bed. That's bad for your eyes. Too close to screen? No, not good at all.
Sit straight. Screen far away.
Sit straight, not too near. Mom and Dad are always here. Stop when timer rings.
When the timer says ding, 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 bye-bye screen, do your thing.
Parents help protect your eyes, brain, and sleep.
Parents help us all.
No screen in bed. Too near to screen is bad. Always sit straight. Stop when timer rings.
When eyes feel tired, your eyes need rest. When head feels heavy, you must stop screen time.
Be good and smart, kids. See you soon in our next video. What are screen time alternatives? You will see them in our next video.
Here's a sneak peek to our next video.
Share this with your friends. Subscribe for more fun learning.